Hello guys, this is Jeffrey from Success with WP or WordPress101.com. Today we'll be talking about how and where to add CSS codes to your WordPress website using the Divi theme. Okay, so first, it's a very basic question. It's okay to ask because if you're starting out with your WordPress website using the Divi theme, then it is very important on knowing where to add the CSS codes. So okay, let's get to it. So first, the first way is going to the theme customizer. So here, Divi theme customizer, new tab in here. So once this loads, we go to the additional CSS down here. Yes, additional CSS. Yep. And see, as you can see, I have so many CSS codes in here. And yeah, so for example, let's say for the CSS code down here, the latest one that I've added, maybe let me change this to more than from more than to less than publish. All right, so you can see in the next way that you can add it is here in theme. So Divi again, and theme options. So let's new tab. Theme options. Actually, you can see the when I changed one in here in the additional CSS part in the theme customizer, it will all change in here. So theme options at the bottom, general, slide down here. So custom CSS is actually the same. Let's see here, it's less than here also. So if, for example, let's say we change it here, let's change it back to more than, save changes. Yep, so, okay, there, and you can see we can go back here. Let's just refresh that, and you can see the changes have been made here as well. So go back. Yeah, so it's loading additional CSS. We go down, and here now it's back to Morton. And yeah, so those are two simple ways to add your CSS codes. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. And if this video has helped you, please do like, comment, and subscribe.